Why is my condensate drain clogged? Your condensate drain gets clogged because algae, mold, dust, and tiny bits of dirt slowly build up inside the drain line, and over time that gunk blocks the water from draining out the way it should. Think of your air conditioner like a machine that pulls moisture out of the air, kind of like squeezing a wet sponge. That water has to go somewhere, so it travels through a small pipe called the condensate drain line and empties outside your home. Because that pipe is dark, damp, and warm most of the time, it becomes the perfect little home for algae and mold to grow, almost like a tiny swamp forming inside a straw. As that buildup grows thicker, the water cannot pass through anymore, so it backs up and can even leak into your home or shut your system down completely. Something most people never realize is that your air conditioner actually has a small float switch near the drain pan, and its entire job is to sense when water is backing up and automatically turn off your system to prevent flooding. So if your air conditioner suddenly stops cooling for what seems like no reason, a clogged drain could be the hidden cause. A simple trick you can do yourself is pouring a cup of distilled white vinegar down the drain line every few months to help break down that algae before it becomes a bigger problem. One common mistake homeowners make is completely ignoring their condensate drain line until water is already dripping from the ceiling or pooling near the unit. So try to check it every couple of months instead of waiting for a problem to show up. Another big misconception is thinking that bleach is the best thing to pour down the line, but bleach can actually damage certain pipe materials and seals over time, so stick with distilled vinegar instead since it is gentler and still very effective. A lot of people also forget that the drain line has a vent opening, and if that vent gets blocked or covered, it can cause pressure issues that make clogs happen even faster. So make sure that little opening always stays clear. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Here, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.